This is what I would do if I had to start all over again with zero. Let's say you lost your job today, or you hit zero in the bank. What would you do? I asked myself that question a few years ago, and I had no answer because I was trained to rely on someone else's paycheck. But that's not security. That's just another survival mode. Here's what I do now. I find a model that pays daily, not bi-weekly. I'd make sure it doesn't require selling to friends or chasing anybody. That's the worst. I'd plug into a proven system that handles the tech, the tools, and all the training. And that's exactly what I did. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom and a grandmother and a great-grandmother who found herself in debt and not able to retire at 70 years age. Now I build digital income streams from home or anywhere without employees, without ads, and without burnout. You don't need to start perfect. You just need to start. If you're ready to learn, I'll send you the exact steps I follow. Just comment START or visit hollypringdailypay.com.